Hello everyone and welcome to the Ninja Forms 3 Discovery videos. This is our 9th video. We've skipped a couple days because we've been kind of gearing up for this particular video, which is building a Ninja Form on your iPhone. It will be for all mobile devices, but we are having a few glitches with Android devices. But right now it does work on iPad and it does work on the iPhone, and it's a really cool experience. Now, some people have asked, is this really a thing? Are we getting lots of people asking, hey, how can I build a form on my phone? And the truth is, no, we're not getting a lot of requests for this. But here's the thing. The web is moving ever more to a mobile world. You browse, websites on your phone. You're checking checking on notifications on your phone. You're getting all this information through your phone. Eventually, you want to be able to manage your website on your phone, I would think, right? And Ninja Forms wants to help you do that. So part of what we're doing is making a nice, easy experience that anything you can do on the desktop version, you most likely can do on the mobile version. And we're really excited to show this off. So is this something that everybody's asking to be able to do? No. But is it something that all software developers, or at least web developers, should be having kind of an eye towards the future on? Absolutely. So this is Ninja Forms 3 building on your iPhone. We hope you enjoy it. It's a really cool feature, and Ninja Forms 3 is coming out soon, so we hope that you are getting up to date on all of the Discover Ninja Forms 3 videos and subscribe to our newsletter to get information. So check it out and tell us what you think. Thank you so much. Now that we are on our iOS device, we're going to go ahead and build a form for the first time on our phone. So this is exciting. So let's kind of go through the process. I've clicked Add New from the Forms menu here. That's how we've gotten here. And even though you won't see my click events, I'll try to explain what I'm clicking on through the process. So right now we see the normal form builder and some assistive text, just basically telling us to add some form fields by clicking the plus sign. Before we do that, you'll see there's a gray button in the upper right-hand corner. If I open that up, you'll see links to other areas of the builder, so I can check out the emails and actions, advanced, preview. So for instance, emails and actions comes pre-installed. Every new form comes with these already enabled for you. There's some advanced settings over here, like calculations, some display settings, some restriction settings. And of course, preview the form, although we don't have a form to preview yet. You'll also notice that publish is grayed out because we don't have a form to save yet. We've not made any changes, so there's nothing yet to publish. But we're going to go ahead and go back to the form fields and start adding some fields to our form. So we'll click the green plus sign, which opens up this Add New Fields drawer. Let's go ahead and just build a basic contact form that you might be accustomed to building anyway. So we add a first name, a last name, an email address. Maybe we add a select so they can tell us why they're contacting us, a text area for a message, and of course a submit button. And then if I go ahead and click done, you can see all these fields are added now to my form. Which is really convenient, and we can make some changes now. For instance, text area, let's go ahead and click on that. It opens the settings drawer. We may want that to be called a message, so let's just call that message. And when I click done, it closes the drawer, and you can see that's changed. I'm going to click on it again, because actually I probably want that to be a required field. So I just toggle the required, and then click done. Great. Here's a message. Select, we'll click on that and open up the settings for that and change the label to maybe why are you contacting me? Maybe you won't be so rude in your own contact form, but for brevity, why are you? I guess I could do it this way. Why are you contacting me? And once we're happy with that, we have some list options here that we could actually adjust, but we're going to go ahead and leave those alone for now since we're just building out a quick form. Now say we wanted to move some fields around. Maybe we want to ask why they're contacting us for the very first thing they do. So if I click and hold that, you'll see it starts to jiggle and highlight, And I can actually drag that all the way up to the top of the form and drop it. And now it's at the top of my form. And I can do that over and over again with any field that I want. I could duplicate a field. So maybe I want to have another text area. If I swipe the field, you'll see I see some new icons appear. The duplicate is the middle icon. So if I go ahead and click on that, see now I have message copy. And if I open that up, there's also that delete button, so I can delete that message copy. Now, if anytime I make a change, I want to undo that, there's a little history icon next to the now blue corner icon. If I click on that and open it up, it'll see all the changes to my form. This hasn't really been optimized for mobile just yet, but we will do that as well. But I can go in here and I can undo my changes, either undo them all, or I can come over here and undo changes individually. So that's our Undo Changes Manager on the mobile device. You know what? I've decided I don't need to ask, why are you contacting me? So I'm going to go ahead and delete that. So I swipe and then click delete. And this is my form, right? First name, last name, email, message, submit. I'm pretty much good to go because if I open up the menu drawer by clicking the blue icon and I check out emails and actions, these are all defined for me. But if I click on, say, admin email, you can see I have an email message. I could customize that as much as I would like. But for now, for the sake of this, I'll just leave that alone. Save submission. Maybe I don't want to save submissions for this particular form, so I'm going to turn that off. And I think I'm pretty well good to go. So now I can open up this drawer by clicking that blue icon again, right? And click publish, because I'm ready for this form to be live. It's going to ask for a form name. So we'll just call it our contact form. And we'll click publish. Oops, not hold. And you'll see some notifications that says they're being saved and then that the form is live. I can now open that drawer again and click on my preview form. And there is my contact form ready to be displayed for the world to see. Now, unfortunately, getting a form onto your site in WordPress on your mobile device is not quite as easy as it is to build a form itself, but that is an issue with WordPress, not with Ninja Forms. So we hope you enjoy it. That is what it's like to build a Ninja form on a mobile device. I don't think there's any other contact form builder or form builder that can do that quite as elegantly, and we're really excited about it. Again, it works equally well on an iPad, but we just wanted to show that feature off. If you'd like to test it out yourself, just go ahead and check out 3.ninjaforms.com. That's THREE.ninjaforms.com. Thanks for tuning in.